Good day, this is Miss Irish. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa kanina video, maglaag na punta. One of the markets sa Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam kay ang Central Market. Usa kini siya ka underground commercial mall in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. Kainit man kayo ang panahon, magpalit sa ta og palamig. Diri sa Vietnam na sila baligya nga tubo or sugarcane juice. Lami kayo ilang juice dani kay pure kayo siya and wala siya sugar added or wala pa siya preservatives added. Duha ra ka tubo ilang ginabutang and butangan na din siya ice. Ang price ra din niya ani is nara siya sa 15,000 Vietnamese dong or equivalent to siya sa 35 pesos. Refreshing kaayo. Cute kay lang cover kay na Hello Kitty. Kani dayon mo ni siya ang sikat nga pink church nga ginaanhian sa mga turista diri sa Vietnam. It is actually called Tan Dinh Church and it is located near the city center in District 3, Ho Chi Minh City. So it is a Roman Catholic church. In addition to its remarkable color, which is pink, it is one of the city's oldest and most important Roman Catholic institutions. The Tan Dinh Pink Church in Ho Chi Minh City was built in 1876. This makes it the second largest church in Ho Chi Minh City after Notre Dame Cathedral. The color and location make this one of the most unique churches in Vietnam. Dool ra pod sa Pink Church kay ang Tan Dinh Market. So walking distance ra ni siya gikan sa Pink Church. So if you really want to get in touch with Vietnamese culture and mingle with the locals, you can visit this market. It is one of the oldest markets in the city. So mo ni siya ang sulod sa Tan Dinh Market. Pero kay few raman kay nga tourist ang ganhi diri, wala kayo sila baligya nga mga souvenirs. More on local products ilang mga baligya. And lami man kayo ang baligya ni Kuya Dari, so mupalit na puta again. But this time, ang atong i-try is ang orange juice. Nara ni siya sa 20,000 Vietnamese dong or equivalent to siya sa 45 pesos. Pure gyapon kay iyang juice, your orange juice dani. Kay igo ra din niya butangan og ice. So after sa Tanden Market, maadto na sad ta sa usa ka tourist attraction nga permi ginanhian sa mga turista diri sa Vietnam. Kini mao ang Independence Palace. Mao ni siya ang the Reunification Palace or also known as Independence Palace. So it is listed as a historical monument by witnessing great changes of Ho Chi Minh City's history. So throughout the heroic battles, this amazing work of architecture had witnessed almost every high and low of the Vietnamese War. Kani dayon siya, mao ni siya ang Ho Chi Minh City Museum, formerly known as Gia Long Palace. It was constructed in 1885 by the esteemed French architect. Kanina building kay originally intended siya to house the Museum of Commercial Trade, showcasing the vibrant products and goods of southern Vietnam. However, its purpose soon shifted and it became the residence of the governor of Cochin China. Kani dayon, mo ni siya ang Saigon Square. It is a high-quality market and it sells high-quality products at a reasonable price. Pwede ka mag-shopping diri kay pwede ka makahangyo silang mga baligya. Barato ra pod. Kani dayon, pauli na dayon ta ani. Nice kayo ang sunset dani. Nice pod ang view. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!